Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to see your reel history on Facebook. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to delete that history or just rewatch them. So let's get started. Tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner and then go to settings and tap on settings, your time on Facebook, see time, see activity log, scroll down to groups, events, and reels. And as you can see, I haven't watched any reels, but this is actually where you can see all the reels that you watched. So you can go ahead and tap on trash if you want to remove it, and archive if you want to archive them or hide them. And it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.